I'm 43 years old and I'm not high risk at all. So I am super grateful and thankful. And I know I will get the support that I need from the Father and also the Blinganeers. This is such a wonderful moment for me. I'm so happy. Words can't explain how I feel right now about my pregnancy. It's like I want to cry, but I really don't want to cry. Congrats to everybody that is pregnant as well. Well, I am not high risk. I must tell you, I am not high risk at all because the doctor said that everything is working fine for me. I am doing well. What I don't like is the fact that they put me on a fruit diet. And yeah, congratulations to everybody that's pregnant too. That's a blessing. So now after I have this baby, I'm going to have to really do my body right now, because if you guys see in this picture, my titty them drop. I rather me not have on no bra. I think because me not have on no bra, so the titty them drop down. Yeah, the titty them drop down. Well, I am 5 months. I'm 5 months. I really did not want to tell you, but I couldn't keep it to myself. I said, go out there and tell those people. Don't care what they say, how they bash you, just tell them. And that's it. So